Hello, Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to KT Sessions. In today's session, we will demonstrate how to use the generate random password action in Automation Anywhere A360 to create strong, secure passwords automatically. In one of the previous video, we saw how can we generate random strings, but there wasn't any option to specify the length of the alphabets, digits, special character, and all. But in today's session, we will see how can we generate a specific password with the where we can set the minimum length of the alphabets, digits, special characters. We can select which special character we want to include or exclude. So let's get started. I have created this task board, and in this I will go to the action palette, and here I can see this package credentials utilities. And in this, the first action is generate random password. I'm going to use this action. And first of all, it is asking for the length of the password. So I want to generate a password of length 8 and lowercase alphabets A to Z count. Here we need to specify the minimum number of lowercase alphabets to include. I need two lowercase alphabet in my password and uppercase alphabets. So I need two uppercase alphabet also, and digits I need 2 digits, and special characters. So we can either select include or exclude. So I'm selecting this include, and I want to include these special characters. Or you can add or remove from this also. So you can specify the character which you need in your password. Because sometimes there are some limitation in some of the applications when we reset the password or when we create a password. So there is some criteria. The length of the password should be 6 to 20 digits, 6 to 20 characters, and it should contain two uppercase alphabets, or it should contain a special character, and there are some specific special character which we can use in our password also. So you can specify your requirements and then it will generate a password for you. And guys, make sure the sum of all these counts, means lowercase alphabets count, uppercase alphabets count, and digits count, and this special character count. So sum of all these four counts, it should not be greater than the length of the password. So in our case, the length of the password is 8, and the count is 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2, 8. So it is equal to the length, which is fine, because it should not be the greater than this length. Okay, so at the end, we will save the password in a credential variable. We are not getting the password in a string variable. We are getting this in a credential type of variable. So let me create a variable named as password. And after generating the password, I will use an action to read the password so that I can print it and I can show you. So I will go to action palette, and I will select this read credential action of the credential manager package so that I can read the credential. Okay, and here credential to read from vault, but my variable, my credential is stored in a credential variable. So I will select this variable, and I will click on insert a value, and here we can see this variable password. Yes, insert and return the credential value, vault value. We are using this string type of variable, sample string, so that we can print this value. And let me print this, and let me run the bot. And here we go. We can see one password. It contains two A, which are in lowercase, and V and L, these are in uppercase, and 2 6 2 digit, these are 2 digits, and the star and bracket, these are 2 special characters. So this is how we can generate a random password with the help of this generate random password action. And let me show you that error. So if we increase the value of this count, now the sum of the all these count will become 5 to 9, 5 and 4 9 and 2 11, and but the length of the password is 8. So it will give an error, means the length of the password should not be greater than the count of the minimum characters. And here we go, we can see this error. The length should be greater than or equal to combined length of minimum required lowercase, uppercase, digit and special character. So this length should be greater than or equal. And the sum of combined count should not be greater than this length. And also we can use this exclude, means if we want to exclude all the special character, I will click on this exclude, and it will generate a password which will not contain any special character. And guys, see the length which we have provided here, the count, it is the minimum length. For example, if I need a minimum one uppercase character, and the combined count is 7, but the length of the password is 8. So in that case, it will automatically take a it can take anything, like it can take uppercase or lowercase or a digit or special character. So it will randomly take any extra character, so that the password will become total 8 digit. So that the length of the password will become 8 digit, 8 character. See here, it is it contains H, L, D and F, which are in uppercase. So total 4 characters we have in uppercase. But here when we see we have assigned 2. So this 2 is the minimum number of uppercase character. It is not the maximum number, it is the minimum number. So our password will contain more than 2 or more than 2. And also we can assign 0 if we don't need a lowercase alphabet, or if we don't need a digit, so we can assign 0. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question in any of that topic. Thank you.